Welcome to my YouTube channel, Freelance Mentor. In this video, we will learn about content writing, so watch this video till the end to get complete information about content writing. Content writing is a thriving niche in freelancing, and it's more than just putting words on a page. It's about understanding your audience, crafting compelling narratives, and optimizing for search engines. First, know your target market. Research their needs and preferences. This helps you create content that resonates. Next, mastering SEO is crucial. Use keywords strategically to boost visibility and drive traffic. Don't forget about storytelling. Engaging content often tells a story that connects emotionally with readers. And remember, editing is your best friend. Polished writing reflects professionalism and builds trust. Lastly, diversify your skills. Explore different formats like blogs, social media posts, or even ebooks. The more versatile you are, the more opportunities you'll find. Embrace feedback, keep learning, and watch your freelancing career flourish in the world of content writing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on freelancing.